Hello students, I welcome you all for today's video. Many students find it too difficult to understand the concept of exponential growth and decay. Such students can understand clearly the concept of exponential growth and decay in 3 minutes if they watch this video till the end. We start with introduction part. Observe the x-plane here and y-plane means xy plane here. There are totally 4 curves. 3 are in blue color and 1 is in red color. Observe these 3 blue color curves represents the exponentials or not? No. These 3 are polynomial functions with different degrees. Here the degree is 1, here the degree is 2, here the degree is 3. And last one is, that is red color curve represents is the exponential function. Observe this graph clearly. Which grows higher? Yes, you are absolutely right. Exponential function means red color curve grows higher than the blue color curves, means polynomial functions of different degrees. So from this graph we conclude that exponential function grows higher than polynomial functions. Right. Coming to the definition, very important definition. What is exponential growth? Exponential growth means the quantity increases. Here the quantity is there, means function. Observe this function carefully. It grows very slowly at first. It grows very slowly at first. It grows very slowly at first. And then increases very rapidly. And then increases very rapidly. The rate of change increase as over time. The growth becomes, here this is the growth. The growth becomes faster as time passes. To find the exponential growth, we have the formula y is equal to p into 1 plus r whole power t, where p is the initial amount, r is the percentage of growth, and t is the time interval. Coming to next definition here, exponential decay. What is exponential decay? The quantity or the function in the plane, means xy plane, decreases very rapidly at first and then very slowly. The rate of change decreases over time. The decay becomes slower as the time passes. The decay becomes slower as the time passes. Here we have the formula for finding exponential decay. Y is equal to P into 1 minus R whole power T. Here P is the initial amount, R is the percentage of decay, and T is the time interval, and T is the time interval. Coming to most interesting topic, definition, compound interest. First of all, what is compound interest? Calculate the interest by adding the interest to the principal amount after the regular break is called compound interest. I repeat once again, calculate the interest by adding the interest to the principal amount after the regular break is called compound interest. To find compound interest, we have the formula A of t is equal to P into 1 plus R by N whole power Nt. Here P is initial amount, R is rate of interest, N is compounded n times per year, n times per year. T is the time interval. Sometimes compound interest can be calculated continuously. Means infinitely large. If the number of compounded periods becomes large, that means we compounded the interest every moment. We compounded the interest. We compounded the interest every moment. The amount of money in the account after t years is given by a of t is equal to limit n tends to infinity. What is meaning of n tends to infinity? Here n means compounded n times per year, but here the compounded time compounded interest becomes very large. P of 1 plus r power r by n whole power nt. This can be simply written as p into e power rt. This formula can be used if we compounded the interest in every moment. We compounded the interest in every moment. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share to your friends. In the next video, you should watch for decay of radioactive iodine.